welcome back to my channel. So up to where do you want to be a music lover? I love listening to music even when I'm having a shower or taking a bath. So this RAYCON IMPACT speaker is just a perfect fit for that one. And also the best part of this video is the unboxing of this one. So this is the RAYCON IMPACT speaker. The box itself is again secure and completely sealed. So let's just quickly open this one. I'm impressed with the box because it's really sturdy and secure. That's how it looks like. What's in the box? We have here in a sealed envelope, we've got their invitation to join their club, and also we have here the quick start manual and the USB-C charging cable. And then we have this moment of truth. Dun, 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 dun. OMG. The design looks so rugged and it's so sleek. So that's how it looks like. And there. So obviously those are your buttons and your functionalities. So that's the power button here, and the battery or status indicator. This one is the equalizer button. This one is the mode button, and that little dot there is the multi-link indicator. The play button obviously, and then the volume down and the volume up buttons. And over here at the back, I like it that it's actually labeled so you won't really miss which one is which. And so if you open that, so that there's like that little, can you see it? That little dot there, that's your charging indicator. And then your USB-C charging port, your SD card slot, and then the very last one is your auxiliary port. So I really love this design because it looks so rugged and sleek. And then on the side here they have the name of their brand. There also has got a carabiner on the side so you could securely put it anywhere you want it. So as I have said, they have a rugged design, and it has got a water resistant and dust resistant rubber gasket. And also if you look at the bottom, it has got a magnetic base which would make it stick and stay no matter the rumble. And it is also impact resistant, which means it protects from drops, knocks, and bumps. Oh, by the way, the charging time for this one is around 3 hours, and the call and play time is roughly around 12 to 15 hours. So it's really pretty cool. And also, oh my god, I'm so loving this because it's not that common design, and it's not the usual speaker that I've seen in the past. We're gonna put the product link in the description box below, and also please do read the user manual or the quick start manual before operating this device so it's easier for you to use it. And yeah, so what are you waiting for? Power up your everyday with this RAYCON IMPACT speaker. That's all for now guys, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Keep safe everyone. Bye.